Hello everyone, this is Mac, and today I'm going to show you how to repair a flat on a lawnmower tire, and it also works on a vehicle. I'm going to put a plug in it and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, a few things that you're going to need is a spray bottle and with some soapy water in it. And I'll just use detergent like dish soap, liquid soap, and make it pretty strong so it'll bubble up good. And then you're going to need a repair kit, tire plug kit. You can get it at AutoZone or really any automotive store, probably Walmart. And you need one of those, and a pair of pliers, needle nose or wire cutters, just in case you find a nail or something in your tire, you can pull it out. And you want to make sure your tire is good and clean. So I washed it, took a brush and cleaned it up real good. And I think while I was cleaning this, I already saw the problem, and it looks like I got a thorn down in there. I've got some thorn trees around my property, and you see my nail right there. That is pretty sure thorn. And then I think I saw another one right here. So that's pretty easy. I just did a tire the other day for my mom, and it just had a hole in it, and that was kind of hard to find. I had to go over it 3 or 4 times. But anyway, I'm going to demonstrate how you would do it if I didn't know that those thorns were there. So you just take this soapy water here and spray on it real good. Get all that soap on there real good. And it's got kind of a slow leak, so I'm not sure if there's going to be any bubbles coming up around that thorn, but we'll pull it out and see what happens. So, and just spray it down real good with soapy water. And believe me, if there's a bubble there, you will definitely know it, because it'll make bubbles like a kid's toy. You can already see where I patched it once. I already got a plug in there once, so I think I'm fixing to have to put 2 more plugs in there. So and I've just got this off the ground with the hoist. My little workstation here where I work on my lawnmowers, and anything I do, work and put it on a jack it up. So yeah, there we go. See, check that out. See all those bubbles around there coming up? That one's definitely leaking. Sometimes it'll make big old bubbles, but you can definitely see where it's bubbling at around there. So that's definitely leaking. That other one might not have a leak in it, but just in case, I like to go around, make sure I don't see any other leaks. Thought I saw some bubbles over here. Well, that ain't good. I just found another problem. I think I'm about to buy a new tire. I think it's kind of dry rotted. Look at the sidewall. It's dry rotted, yep. And it's bubbling around the side there. So I will definitely need to get a new tire, but that's all right. I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate. Yeah, look at that now. Got a lot of bubbles. I'll go ahead and demonstrate it for this video. I'm gonna pull that thorn out and we're gonna patch that up, even though I'm gonna have to get a new tire, but I'd like to show you how to do it anyway, because it's not that hard. Yeah, you can really see the bubbles now on the sidewall there. So what you're gonna do is just kind of wipe all this off and clean it up a little bit. And take your pliers and sometimes it's hard to get these thorns out. If I can't get it out, I'll just ram it in there with the cleaner. Boy, that thing's down in there good. Yeah, you can hear that. Whew, coming out good. So what you're gonna do is take this tool here, got these rough spots on it, and shove it down in there. And sometimes it's kind of hard because the hole's small, so you just kind of ram it in there. There you go. And then clean it in there real good. Twist it around. There we go. And then you're gonna take one of these little plugs here, get it out, and then take your insertion tool and thread it through here, just like threading a needle. You know, get it about halfway there. And it comes with a tube of glue. I like to take the glue and put it all over. You probably don't have to do this because it's got it's like real sticky tar on this plug, but I like to coat it anyway. It helps glue it. I've never had one leak doing this, so this is what I like to do. Plus it kind of helps slide it in there a little bit better. There we go. Get that real good. And like I said, this will also work for plugging a car tire. I have pulled out many nails on my tires and plugged them. Saved myself a trip down to the automotive store or the repair shop. So it works great on vehicles. And what you want to do, as soon as you pull this out, you want to ram this in there, but you don't want to go all the way in. You gotta be real careful. You only want to go in there about halfway. That's about perfect right there. And this part's real important. You got to give it a good, hard, fast jerk to pull this out. So here we go. There we go. And that locks it in there. It's got little, it's split right there and it pulls it right out. So once I do that, I will take my cutters and cut some of this excess off a little bit. There we go. And that's it right there. It's plugged. And once it rolls over, it'll flatten it down just like that other one did. I showed you that old plug. Okay, and that's all it is to it. And I don't think I'm going to plug this in over here. I'm not going to waste a plug on it, that thorn that's in here on this side, because of this. So I might just get a tube and put in here, or get a whole new tire. It's pretty old and it's cracked all the way around, so it's dry rotted anyway. So I might just go ahead and get a brand new tire put on here. But that's all you do. It's not that hard, pretty simple. And like I said, it'll work on a tire, car tire. And I keep these kits around the house all the time. That's all it is to it. Well, all right, I hope this video helped you. Give it a try if you've never done it before. It's pretty easy. Just follow these steps, and I think you can do it. I hope you, man, sorry, it's hot and humid out here. Hope, if you hadn't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Hit the like button, I'd appreciate it. And the notification bell, and I'll have some more videos coming out on things like this. I've got a playlist in my video list for mechanics around the homestead, things I work on, lawnmowers and tractors and things like that. So appreciate you watching. Hope y'all have a southern blessed day.